Isang malaking sayang. Sa paglabas sa outside world ng Hopeful Belle ng Cavite, at kapamilya actress, na si Kira Bollinger, mula sa Pinoy Big Brother House, ay grabe nga ang suporta at pagmamahal ang natanggap niya mula sa mga fans. Ngunit, may iilan din ang nanghinayang sa nabuong love team o fandom, na Kish, na sina Kira Bollinger at Josh Ford, na talagang ikinagulat at ikinatuwa ni Kira. Kaya naman, hindi napigilan na maging malungkot ang mga netizens sa nangyari. Ayon nga sa komento ng isang netizen, isang malaking sayang na lumabas si Kira. I'm watching PBB since day 1 and people are starting to get fond of her, sa week 1 pa lang. But, with the inconsistency of the screen time, nawala. From the screen time she got last week, madami ulit positive feedbacks. Imagine, if she got a good amount of screen time from week 1, without the evil edits and spliced vids, this girl will be big. I just hope Star Magic, ABS-CBN, and Direct Lauren treat her better this time. Don't sleep on this kid, because she has a lot to offer. Kira is an all-rounder. She can definitely do everything. Hope her management sees that and gives her more projects. We're excited and anticipating for you, Kira. We love you and we appreciate you. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.